video, we're going to show you how to install your Keel Armour from Keel on the new Yamaha VX Wave Runners. So the first thing we're doing is we're just going to duct tape the keel guard in place to locate it. So now we're just going to mark the keel guard location by using masking strips down the sides. So now we've got the keel guard location marked out, we're going to use red Scotch-Brite and we're going to scuff the surface, clean it up and prep it for the adhesive to bond. So now we're just going to use some acetone. We're going to wipe the whole area, clean off any dust and dirt and grip, maybe on the hull. Now just going to clean the keel guard so it's ready for the adhesive to go on as well. Now we're going to put on a 3/16 to 1/4 inch bead of 3M 4200 adhesive sealant, and it's going to go right around the outside edge of the keel armour, and then we're going to put a zigzag row down the middle. We have to leave a slight gap at the front for an air gap. Now ready to set the keel armour in place. Okay, we're going to set it in the location, rock it back and forward, allowing the adhesive to spread and bond, pushing it forward until it's in the right spot. Okay, so we've now got the keel guard in place and our duct tape's holding it there while we get our ratchet tie straps to secure it tight to the hull. So we've now got it secured with our tie downs and we're taking all the tape off. Okay, so we're just going to wipe off the excess adhesive from around the outside edge. Got it bonded in place. Our straps are holding it there securely. We're going to leave it overnight to cure. Okay, so now we have taken off our straps that held it on. It's set up overnight. We're going to go ahead and seal the outside of the keel armour. Going to do this all the way right around the outside edge. Once we've done the entire perimeter of the keel armour, we're just going to blend this in like that. So we now have a finished installation of our keel armour. It is ready to go back in the water. It looks awesome and matches the hull perfectly.